Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you can't access Git from your terminal. So in this video I will show you the fix. Git is a very important tool when it comes to coding because if you need to push your code to GitHub, then Git is used. If you can't access it, first of all, if you haven't installed this, then definitely installed it. Just type git download and git bash. Just go to the website, download for Windows or my Mac or Linux. I've already downloaded this, but still I'm getting this problem. For fixing this problem, you just need to go to the location where Git is stored. So by default it's stored in the C directory, and just open your program files. This is a folder, and just search for the Git folder. This is actually the folder right here, Git folder, and just open your command line folder. This is a folder, and here all the executables of Git are present right here if you see. And if you try to open command line here, just type the same command, the command will perfectly work. So what you need to do is that you just try to right click, copy this entire location, and just open your environment variable and go to the system variable, system path variable. Just select this and paste this location. So after doing this, simply restart the terminal and just type the same command, which is git. So you will now see the command will perfectly work. So in this easy way you can fix this error message. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.